You have a picture of that video?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Watch this.
Sit up tall so you can get in the frame.
Well, thanks a lot. Here you go. All right. So, Jenny, I'll tell you what I did at the gym yesterday.
What do you do?
I did box jumps. That's so funny.
How high was it?
It's just a box.
Oh my God! You used to jump so high.
I know. I was watching this story or this study or this podcast, I guess, and they were talking about people. You know, you and I are strength coach, right?
Yep.
So we're looking to make people stronger,
Yeah.
and confident, and all that stuff. If I put your seatbelt on. And the podcast was talking about people stop jumping. Like these people in our way. You let that little lady go. She's letting us go. Okay, thank you. And people stop jumping, not because of injuries, but they just stop jumping mostly from fear. You know, all of a sudden you're 35, you don't jump anymore. Remember you used to box jump?
Yeah.
Have you done it in a while?
No, because
No.
I have stenosis of my cervical spine.
Well, there you have it. Ladies and gentlemen, she has stenosis of her cervical spine.
Yes.
So,
That's why I'm wearing this little reminder thing.
Yeah, look hot in that reminder thing anyway. So, so people stop jumping, not for injuries, but because they just stop. And so yesterday after one of our clients, I decided to do some box jumping. Or, it's called plyometrics. So I set up the box, I did like 10 box jumps, and the box is only 12 inches tall. I used to jump to 20-inch boxes. So I stood there and stared at like a 400-pound fat girl. Or a guy ready to do a box jump because I was fearful. But yeah, I jumped up on that thing and down. And what's really good about it is that when you jump down, it helps impact bone growth and things of that nature. So the moral of the story is we make more.
Start jumping.
Start jumping. Start jumping. And do it smartly though. And don't jump from a high place. Maybe climb up on a 12-inch plyo box and jump softly down. And that jarring, that landing is actually good for bone growth.
For so long we were doing it so gently and so soft, remember?
We were jumping, well, I want to jump up there and land softly. What? Because I think. And land softly. But then as always, I'm learning. And I read a study about bone growth from jumping. So especially menopausal women. And you guys who haven't jumped since PE class. Get to jumping.
Get the jumping.
Anything you want to add, Jenny?
No, get the jumping.
All right. You want to show them your spinal cord?
No.
All right, we'll tell y'all later.